pork in mushroom sauce. Ingredients: 4 pork chops, bone-in or boneless, about 1 inch thick. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Salt and fresh cracked black pepper, to taste. 2 tablespoons butter. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Mushroom sauce. 1 cup sliced brown mushrooms. 4 to 5 garlic cloves, crushed. 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. 1½ cups heavy cream. A half cup, 125 milliliters, chicken broth. 1 tablespoon fresh chopped parsley. Salt and pepper to taste. Directions: to make the garlic pork chops recipe, combine paprika, garlic powder, salt and pepper in a small bowl. Pat the pork chops dry with kitchen paper, then season generously with the spice mix. Heat olive oil and butter in a skillet over medium-high until butter is melted. Sear the pork chops for 3 to 5 minutes per side until well browned on both sides. Transfer the pork chops to a warm plate and set aside. In the same skillet, add the mushrooms and stir fry until golden brown, scraping up any bits left over from the chops. Add garlic, parsley and Italian seasoning, then stir fry for another 30 seconds before pouring in the broth. Add the cream, give a good stir, then allow simmering for 3 to 4 minutes until slightly thickened and adjust seasoning if needed. Place pork chops and their juices back into the sauce and allow to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the pork chops are cooked to your liking. Garnish with remaining fresh parsley and serve the garlic pork chops in creamy mushroom sauce immediately with cauliflower.